Well, ideas can come from anywhere. I'm always looking for new ideas and trying to connect the dots. But at the end of the day, what we're doing is we're trying to find the highest quality companies, and we're trying to buy them when there's a huge gap between the intrinsic value and what the market's price is giving us. We're looking for things with at least 100% upside, so a 50% discount, so that we can benefit not only from the underlying compounding of the business, but also from that gap eventually closing from on the discounts. And this also provides us this margin of safety on the downside if we're buying something that we think it's significantly undervalued. So we're often looking for companies that are going through some sort of short-term headwinds, and the market is very impatient and only wants to focus on the next few months, the next few quarters, and we're able to be more patient and say, okay, this is problem is temporary, it's not structural. So a 3 to 5 year plus view, this is going to be work out fantastic for us. The idea is, where did we find them? Well, it could be anything. I mean, it could be a macro event can happen. It could be a corporate action, such as a spinoff or a balance sheet restructuring. It could be a particular sector that's just unloved, or a particular geography in the world that's unloved at any given time. It really, at the end of the day, doesn't matter. We're trying to find the best ideas. And if you look at our portfolio, a lot of people look at it and say, "Oh, this is very esoteric," but it is. We're looking off the beaten path. We're looking for things with not lots of sell side coverage. We're looking for kind of these misunderstood opportunities, and so often it's not household names. And where do we want to take the fund? Well, I want to be able to look back, and I want to have we're performance driven. We were looking for a 15% CAGR, getting the 100% upsides, getting a few of them wrong. We think trying to double money every 5 years. I want to look back on and say I was able to have this long term performance, and that's what drives me every day. And I think the strategy is quite interesting. It's very unlike any index. And I think that adds diversification to people's portfolios. I think it kind of zigs and zags a bit differently. At the moment, we started with a few million. We've grown quite a bit, but I think we can get the strategy to 300 to 500 million quite easily. And so, yeah, we're looking forward to expanding and being able to help other investors grow their wealth over time.